Budget doesn't mean boring, especially with gaming PCs. Ready to level up your setup on a budget? First things first, start with a solid CPU. Think Ryzen 5 or Intel i5. They're powerful enough for most games and won't empty your wallet. Next, grab a budget-friendly GPU like the GTX 1660 Super. Trust me, it's a beast for the price. For your RAM, 16GB is the sweet spot. It's more than enough for gaming and multitasking. Don't forget storage. A 500GB SSD will speed up your load times like crazy. And for the motherboard, look for something reliable but affordable, like the B450. Power it up with a decent 500 baud power supply. No need to go overboard here. Last but not least, find a cool-looking case that has good airflow. Your components will thank you. So there you have it, folks. A killer gaming PC on a budget. Game on and happy building.